The next category of punctuation is comma and no punctuation. Let's talk about comma first. Now, we saw comma fanboys in my last video. That is comma followed by one of the 7 conjunctions. Here, it's a comma followed by anything else, which is what I call a regular comma. What can this regular green comma do? 2 things. It can separate a complete idea from incomplete idea, or an incomplete idea from a complete idea. No punctuation is also in the same category. I've marked it as green. And what can no punctuation do, or when should you not use a punctuation mark at all? When both sides are incomplete. Let's have a look at some examples. When you look at the answer choices, you can see that punctuation is changing. Therefore, draw that imaginary line between the words. I'm going to read the first idea. A conceptual artist and designer embraced by both the art world and the fashion world. That's an incomplete idea. Mary Ping was chosen to curate the exhibition front row. That's a complete idea. So if you look at the formulas, incomplete, complete, that is the job of a comma. We look at the answer choices and we pick option D, which is a comma. Let's look at another question. When you look at the answer choices again, the punctuation is changing. So you draw a line and read the first and the second ideas. The first one is, in her 2 major series, Memory Test and Autobiography Painter, this guy explored themes of, and that is an incomplete idea. Healing, self-discovery, and memory by cutting and sewing back together pieces of canvas and inserting personal artifacts such as postcards into some of the paintings. That's again an incomplete idea. Between 2 incomplete ideas, make sure not to put a punctuation mark. And if you look at the answer choices, that would be answer choice A.